Hamilton is a magnet school for engineering and technology. We believe that all students have the ability to think like an engineer, so that's our magnet theme. We teach engineering concepts in all of our classrooms from kindergarten through 5th grade, through hands-on projects, through the engineering as elementary curriculum. All of our students here also take robotics as a special area classroom, along with their PE, music, and art. So those are a couple of the things that we do, but also we make sure that we teach engineering concepts in every core class. So you don't just learn engineering and science, you learn about it in ELA, in math, in social studies, and of course in specials.
School shouldn't be just worksheets and PowerPoints to go through. And when kids are actually involved in their own learning process, they get to see things, they get to feel things, they get to be a part of it. And I think that helps them make those connections of the science concepts. When we did the sound experiments and they were looking at how sound travels, when they got to actually put the tuning fork in the water and see that the water was moving, they got to be a part of that. It kind of made things more concrete for them. It's not just an abstract thought of, oh, sound waves move things. They were actually able to see it in action, in motion, and they were the ones doing it. So I think that when we take our science tests and we take all these assignments for grades, well, now they're able to conceptually think, okay, well, I did this. How did that activity help me answer this question right now? So not just, let's take notes, let's underline things, let's, write in our notebooks, but being a scientist in the actual moment and being the one to do that, I think helps foster that love for learning, and then kids want to come back to school and they want to be here every day because we're gonna do fun things every day.
You'll see interactive exhibits in all of our common areas, in our dining room, in our discovery hub, in our hallways that focus on specific standards-based magnet engineering themes throughout our campus. The opportunity to think like an engineer here is very unique. You won't find another place like this in Seminole County or anywhere else. We also focus on making sure that every student's needs are met. Students, if they have a need for acceleration or if their students have some learning gaps that we need to close. Just as we teach our students to problem solve, our teachers, they're also innovators and they problem solve to make sure that we can prepare all of our students for success.